Hi, I am TM Singh. Here is our first video using AVEVA Unified Engineering for 3D. While doing our design, we like to copy what we have model. During the copying process, we might have not update the tags of the nozzle within the equipment. In this video we are going to show you how we do that using a script. You can see in our pump models, we have made 5 copies of the pump. You can see that the nozzle are not named. I have created a simple script to name the nozzle. Let's see what we are going to do. I will go through the steps I created the script later. Please stick around. I use the search feature to get a list of equipment to work on. I set the type to equipment. I know all the pumps are named with the work pump in their tags. Let's search. We get 6 elements. We go to the collection. And now we run the script on every element in our search result. To run scripts, we use $M with a backslash and the file name. We key this into the text box provided. We select apply and E3D will navigate to every element in the list and run the script. Let's check the result. You can see all the nozzles for the pumps are now named. Ready to see how the script was created? Let's name the tank's nozzles. First I need the command window. I use the query command to get the list of the nozzle below the first equipment with nozzle tags. Whoops! It should be queue members. I will select the nozzle list. Because the copies of tank is similar to this, the nozzle will be in the same order. I will use a text editor to create the script. We use Notepad++. We like it because it is good and useful. Let's paste the text we copied. We execute the script with equipment as the current element. First we store the equipment name into a variable. In PML, the exclamation is used to identify a variable. We assign the current element's name, denoted by $! CE followed by a dot and attribute name to new name variable. Next I use the Alt key and select the column that I do not need, which are the 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. I delete these characters. I need to separate each row into 2 lines. First line to navigate to the nozzle and next line to rename the nozzle. I use the search and replace to do that. I use the extended character set, /R and /N, which means return and new line. I add the text name after the new line and carriage return. This is to modify the name. For a quick and simple script like this, we did not add any error checking, so if there is an error the script will fail for that element. Lastly, we need to replace the name of the equipment with the new name variable. We use the $symbol to evaluate the variable. Our script is now ready. Let's save. Let's use the script in E3D. We use the search feature again. This time we modify the text in the name to TNK instead of pump. We use the collection and we use the $M to execute our script on all the tank model in the zone. Let's check the result. Nice! We have updated all the nozzle name for the tanks. Hope you like our presentation. See you again soon.